how to get enter key in WhatsApp keyboard. So from your phone, simply come in and open your WhatsApp by tapping on the WhatsApp app, and then come and select any chat that you have. So I'm going to select this chat and simply come here to the message box and then come and tap there. So under it, instead of the enter, you will see that we have the send key instead. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, so let's go back and then come here to where we have the messages, and then come to the top where we have the three dots, and then come and tap on it. From here, simply come to the settings and then tap on the settings. So when you tap on the settings, simply come down here to where we have the chat, and then come and then tap on the chat. Okay, so from here where we have the chat settings, okay, let me zoom in for you to see the chat settings. You see that we have enter a send. Okay, simply come here and then come and turn it on by tapping on it. That is it. Okay, so now let's go back. Okay, and then let's go back again, and then let's come and then open the chat. Okay, so after opening it, simply come down here to where we have the message box, and then come and type something, and you will see that the send key is now changed to enter. Okay, so you can tap on it and then go to the next line. Okay, so the enter is working, and then you can come and then press on the send here, and that is it. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.